Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I have a small unbagging for you, unboxing. I did get 2 packages in the mail. This one is from Instylish and this one is from a Shop Miss A. So we have some goodies here to go through. This one I'm not even open because I know what it is. It's something I love. It's become, you ever have scissors and they just don't work? They don't work. So yeah, those scissors are going, those are like Dollar Tree scissors. They're going in the trash. They don't work. You don't cut nothing. So these are my Instylish sponges. If you guys saw my first unboxing and for first impressions of this, I actually used it for this look. If you guys want to see this kind of impromptu holiday get ready with me, I will have it linked down below. This is the sponge. This is what it looks like when it's fully enlarged with water, I guess is the bit when it's damp. This is the size of the sponge. Guys, these have become my absolute favorite sponges. Take them out. There's the outer packaging. They come in a mailer. And you get 2, and you get one that is the classic kind of Real Techniques style. It's the pointy end with the cutoff end, and then you get this egg shape. So there's the difference. This one's brand new, hasn't been washed. I always wash my sponges before I use them. Then this one is the damp side or size. So they're super soft, super squishy. You guys know those Pow Pow sponges from Shop Miss A. I love those. But I'll tell you the issue I've been having with those is after several uses, and if I had one, I'd show you, they're in the sponge, the actual material part starts to come off and kind of fray off and fall away from wear. And like I get up my hair, I'll have little bits left on my face, and you can just really see around the edge that they're falling apart. And I mean, that's understandable. They're $1.55, but so far I've not had that issue with these, and I've washed them. I'll wash my sponges after every use. I let them dry. I use them again. I'll wash them, use them again. And I've been using the 2 like this that came in my first batch every day. I've been washing them and using them every day. So I have some new ones, but I'll tell you what, I'm going to put this baby, this brand new one, I will put it in a Ziploc. I'm going to put this one in my holiday giveaway so you can try one for yourself. If you want to purchase these, I do have a code. I will put that down below. It is an affiliate code. It's Moody Girl. I do make a small commission off that if you shop that link, but it doesn't cost you any more to use it. You're still going to pay the same price as anybody else. So I'm going to give one of these away in my holiday giveaway. So stay tuned for that video. It'll be coming up in the next week or so. So there's my new sponges. I got some new ones so I can throw out some of my old ones, the ones that are disintegrating. So here is my Shop Miss A. It always comes in the pink bubble mailer. I did open the end just to give it a peek. I've not took anything out. As you can see, I just peeked inside, wrapped in bubble wrap. I might not be able to get into it because, like I said, I didn't cut it all the way. We're just gonna have to rip it. Okay, now I can get into it. Maybe? Okay, yeah. Alright, so wrapped in tissue paper, there's the Shop Miss A little sticker. We're gonna tear all that away. Inside of that is the foam wrap. Oh, some of this stuff goes in the giveaway too. I forgot. So here's a little baggie with my hair growing out. My bangs, as you guys can see, my bangs are almost as long as the rest of my hair. And I do like to pin that up and out of my face, especially at work. I get tired of ponytails. So I did get 2, look how pretty this is, 2 of these big snappy ones. The big snappy ones. Oh, super cute. So there's the other one. Guys, I'm putting that in the giveaway too. Thought that would be really cute for the holidays, New Year's, whatever. And then I got these resin kind of tortoise shell looking ones. They're just a little clippy style. Aren't that cute? It's cute. So I got a brown set, and then I got 2 of the pink sets. So again, one of these pink sets will be going in the giveaway. So I'm trying to get stuff together, guys. Trying to get it. Like I said, it's not going to be anything like massive or huge. My hubby's been out of work for quite a while, and I've been the only one working, so that's made it kind of hard on the both of us. But he has recently gone back to work. Hallelujah. And bless his heart. So this giveaway, it's not going to be like massive or expensive, but it's just a thank you to you guys. The next little baggie in here is a bunch of sheet masks. You guys know I love the sheet mask. I got, let's see what all did I get. Here is a pomegranate. And here is a blackberry. I've never tried blackberry, and I love blackberries and blueberries. So here's a blackberry mask. I did get 2 of those. So there's 2 blackberry masks. Here is a honey. I got 2 honey. Yes, I did. There they are. Here is 2 honey, and I have a few of these, so I'm going to put one of these in the giveaway as well because I love that one. I know it's good. Oh, there's another pomegranate. I was thinking I got 2 of everything, and there is 2 collagen. I'm going to put one of the collagen in the giveaway as well, and one of the pomegranate in there. So I think that's one of everything with the blackberry, and I'm being greedy on those. This is for my manager at work. It is just a little pill box, so I'm not going to open it. It's bigger than the girl. It's bigger than the one I have, but I'm going to bring it to you. So it's just a little pill box. I have a smaller one, and she saw it and she liked it. So I'm going to take it to her, and if she doesn't want it, I will put it in the giveaway. If she does want it, it's hers. So we'll see if she wants it. I'm going to throw it on the bed because that's hers. The only makeup I bought on Shannonwmoody was my setting powders that I always use, the Soft Light setting powders. I got 2 of those for backups because I thought while I'm ordering, I'm going to order 2. And shipping was only $1. I did message this out on my community page that Shannonwmoody was having $1 shipping that day. So I was like, well, if they're having $1 shipping, I'm going to get my setting powders. I should have got some more, but I didn't. And then I've never tried like their brow stuff. So I got, this is a sculpting brow pencil. And I'm going to go ahead and undo the plastic. We're going to see what she is. So be sure y'all check that community tab. I will try to post more of that. Like if I see a really good sale going on, I will put that on there. So it does have the triangular tip, if you guys can see that. And I think I got taupe because I'm getting white in my hair. And guys, this is a bomb. Well, look at that. Well, I mean, you can see it. It's just taking some time to get it going. So maybe once I kind of get it going, because you know how sometimes a product will sit and the tip just kind of dries out. You just need to get through that first initial like end of it. But it's just not really doing that great. So we'll have to play with that one when I do the makeup. It does have a spoolie on the end. Spoolie works great. I'm not so thrilled with the, cause look. I mean, you can see it. Maybe it's, like I said, it just needs to get some of the end worked off where it kind of dries up. So we'll try that. We'll try it in a video. The other thing I got, and I wanted both shades of this. The other shade was sold out. This is a eyeshadow primer paint pot. And it was supposed to be like comparable to MAC's paint pot. And what is the other, something ochre. And here's the little, It is the Amuse brand. And what was that eyeliner one? I think it was the Shop Miss A brand. Yeah, the AOA Studio on the eye pencil. We'll give that a go when I don't already have product on my brows. This is an eyeshadow primer, and it is in the shade Clean Slate. Painterly Paint Pot, right? Is that the vibes? Is that, I've never used Painterly Paint Pot, so I don't know. But guys, I use e.l.f. and it's $2, $3. I can't remember because I know they went up on the price of it. It does not feel oily. It's creamy, but it's drying down. I can feel it already like drying on my hand right there. It's thick. If you can see that, I'm like mashing in, but it's not really denting down into it. Oh, I can't wait to try that. I'll try it tomorrow. And there was the packaging, Amuse, and that was Clean Slate. And that's all I got in the mail. That is a lie. That's a lie. I did get something else from Ulta. I will probably put that in the video by itself because it's in the living room and I don't want to run in the living room and get it. So, there's actually some stuff in the giveaway for that too. So be sure you catch the next Ulta unboxing, which will be coming up in a day or two. So there's some sheet masks, there's some hair bows, and there is a makeup sponge, the Instylish makeup sponge. Like I said, the code, if you want to purchase a full set, is Moodygirl. I will have that listed down below. And that's it, guys. I'm so excited. I'm sad, but I'm excited. And it's a weird place to be in life when you're sad, but you're excited. You know what I'm saying? The holidays are coming up. And I'm excited that the holidays are coming up. But you're just in your body, your mentality, you're not done grieving. You've not finished that grieving process. So it's a weird place to be. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Be sure you hit the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below so you'll know when that giveaway goes up, which is coming soon. And I'll see you guys on the next one.